Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming back at you with a new video. Today's video is going to be a first impressions of the box of crayons eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited, guys. I got mine in the mail about 3 days ago, so I decided to do a first impressions on the eyeshadow palette. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so. Also hit the notification button so you're notified every time I upload. I cannot stress that enough to you guys. I really appreciate all those who do follow my content, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I really do truly, and genuinely appreciate it. Also, make sure you guys follow all my social media platforms. They will be linked down below in the description bar. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
I love my body. I love my skin.
Today's video is going to be on the box of crayons, the crayon case eyeshadow palette. I am so excited, y'all. When I tell y'all this palette is massive and huge and just gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've already seen like all the videos and all the reviews that you can like possibly see on this palette, but I still wanted to try it out myself because sometimes that palettes that people rave about, they tend to like not even live up to the hype. But I just wanted to try it for myself because I don't think I've heard one bad review or one bad anything about this palette, even down to the customer service. The mirror is huge. It covers your entire face and it is really massive. I really like that part. It also comes with a protective little plastic thing over top of the eyeshadow, and this is the palette, y'all. When I tell you that these pans are massive, like the pans are huge, I believe that this palette is going to last me a long time. Because the pans are really big and they're packed in really nicely and really dense, and I really like that because that ensures that you don't get a lot of fallout, but you still get the payoff that you want, and it ain't gonna be messy, and it's gonna last you a good while. I just want to go in quickly and tell you guys a little bit about the palette. It did retail for about $30 if I'm not mistaken, but after like shipping and handling, I think you paid like $38 if I'm not mistaken. I'll link it. I'll put it somewhere in the video. My shipping came, I think I bought the palette Memorial weekend, and I think it came on that Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day. It came really quick. I think if it wasn't for Memorial Day, it still would have came on that Monday. As you guys can already tell, my eyes are already primed. I did all of that and did my eyebrows and stuff off camera because I wanted to jump right into the palette. Makeup look, I definitely wanted to do something towards a lot of color, and what better day to do it on than the first day in the month. It's Pride month, and so I definitely wanted to do something that's really colorful, really with just a lot of color, and I really wanted to play in just this palette, y'all. I just want to get as much use out of this palette as I could. I am going to do the warmer spectrum of the rainbow, and then on the other eye, I'm going to do a cooler spectrum of the rainbow. I'm really like excited to do this, so I'm just gonna go ahead, start running my mouth, and I'm going. So it's 9 mattes and 9 shimmers. Okay, it's 9 mattes and 9 shimmers. So I'm gonna go into the yellow color, and I am going to use the mirror because I told y'all this mirror is massive. Like I can do my entire face with this palette. But I'm going to go into the yellow color, and I'm just going to put that up in the transition area just to give it a nice blend. And this is going to be our warmer side. Probably should have went in with a white base, but the yellow is still picking up pretty dang well. Like it's still pretty good, but I definitely should have went in with like a pure white base, but I still like it. The shadows are really soft. They blend really well. I really like it. It's blending really nice, and they're really soft and really packed in there really nice. So I'm going to go in and I'm patting in this yellow, and then I'm blending it out just to get a little more color payoff. And I feel like that looks a little bit better than me actually just going in and blending it. So for my warmer side, I am going to go in with a glitter eyeshadow base just to make the colors pop a little more. First, I'm going to go in with the orange shimmer color right here. I'm just going to use that and put it on the outer part of my lid. Woo! Y'all, this pigment is crazy. It's so nicely packed. Like, this pigment is crazy. I do want to put a little bit of that gold in the inner tear duct. And I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. Ooh. Add a little bit more of that red. And just use that to blend it out, and then put it on the outer part of the eye. I like it. Even though it is bold, y'all, I still wanted to keep it kind of wearable, just because I don't want my eyes to look too crazy, because I don't know how bold colors like this are going to look on me. So I am going to keep it really bold, but still really wearable. So next on this side, I'm going to go in with this matte green, and I'm just going to swirl my brush. Ooh, I like that. I like the way it looks. I'm just going to take that in the transition area. Ooh, I like the way this is blending. I'm going to take a bit of that blue, this shimmery blue right here, and I'm going to take it on the outer part of my eye. On the outer part, the more outer part of the eye, I'm going to take this violet color. Ooh, I like this. I like this side better than I like this side. And of course, in the inner color, I'm going to take this pretty, this is gorgeous. I'm going to take this pretty shimmery baby blue color, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of the other side. So that blue did get a little lost in the middle, so I'm going to add a little bit more of that. So this is the final eye look. I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera, and then I'll be right back. So for this bottom lash line on the warmer side, I am going to go in with a red, and I'm just going to smudge that on the bottom lash line. On this side, I'm going to go in. I'm going to smudge a little bit of purple, blue, and green on my bottom lash line. So next I'm going to go into NYX liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Beauty Mark. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my lashes offline. They are the Ardell Wispies, and I'm going to do that off camera, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look on the box of Crayons Crayon Case eyeshadow palette. Do I think it's worth the money? Yes, I do. $30 is a very reasonable price point, especially for a palette this huge with the pans this big, and you definitely get very, very, very good quality. So yes, I do think it is definitely worth the money. Now, as far as the colors go, I definitely think they added some color, of course, a lot of color, but they also added some neutrals in there and some basic colors like brown and tan, just to give you an everyday look, and gold just for a little pop on the lid. Definitely good for an everyday look as well, so I definitely will be using this on my everyday basis, especially days where I don't really want to do anything colorful. I still think it's good for an everyday basis. As I was saying, for the colors to pop, I would definitely go in with a white base instead of a like flesh tone base like I did. I went in with just some concealer just to use to prime my eyes, but I would definitely say go in with a white base. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. Also comment down below and let me know what you think. If you guys got the palette, let me know how you like it, how it performed for you. And also click that notification button so you're notified every time I upload. Don't forget. And also make sure you guys share this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. They will be linked down below in the description bar, and make sure you guys check those out. And yeah, thank you guys so much. So for lips, I'm going to go into NYX lip. So for lips, I'm going to go into NYX liquid lip gloss, and this is in the liquid. So next I'm going to go in for lips. I'm going to go into the NYX look